Hello students. In this lecture, we are discuss about the topic of topic is packing efficiency. After it, we will find out the value of packing efficiency for the simple cubic lattice. Simple cubic lattice. First of all, we are discuss about the definition of packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is defined by the percentage space occupied by the constituent particles या atom inside the crystal lattice. क्रिस्टल लैटिस देखें कैसे इन एनी क्रिस्टल लैटिस वी नो दैट constituent particle in unit cell are arranged different pattern. No matter the atom or particle, however the arranged in a crystal lattice, but every condition in always the some vacant space between the particles in crystal lattice is called voids. Though packing efficiency is depend upon the packing depend upon the arrangement of particles and number of atom. Packing efficiency is depend upon the number of atom in structure and the types of packing. तो इसके बाद अगर डेफिनेशन की बात हमने कर ली है, फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग ये हो गया, और अब देखें फॉर्मूला मैथमेटिकली फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी. पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी इज इक्वल द volume of the total number of atom upon the total volume of structure या total volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Packing efficiency is related to percentage is related to into 100. तो अब बात ये आती है कि एक टॉपिक फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी. Number 1, volume of structure या unit cell. Number of atom or volume of a atom. Volume of a unit cell, number of a atom and volume of a atom. It can be understood by the formula of packing efficiency. Volume of a unit cell, number of a atom, volume of total number of atom. तो volume of one atom is multiplied by the total number of atom is equal to volume of a total number of atom and volume of a unit cell or volume of a one atom. So it can be understood by the formula of packing efficiency. After it, come to the point, the derivation of packing efficiency, the simple cubic lattice, simple unit cell. We know that simple unit cell like that, whole corners, the total number of corners in cube is 8. So number of atom in a simple unit cell is 1. Number of atom in simple unit cell is 1. How? 1 by 8 into 8 is equal 1. After it, we find the packing efficiency of the simple cubic lattice. Simple formula. So formula is total volume of total number of atom before it let be इन दोनों जो पार्टिकल हैं इसको हम इस प्रकार अरेंज करेंगे कि फॉर द फाइंड आउट द पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी ऑफ सिंपल क्यूबिक लैटिस. तो देखें let be the length of cube is a radius of a sphere is r. Then complete length of a cube is a, radius of a r, radius of a sphere is r. Then we can see the relation between a and r. A is equal to r is equal a by 2. This formula is used directly used in numericals. So after it, put the value of formula volume of total number of atom. Total number of atom is 1 and the volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value of r into 1 मान लो 4 by 3 pi r cube into 1. Put the value of r and volume of a unit cell or total volume of a structure. तो cubic shape for cube volume is equal to a cube, where a is the length of a edge. Put the value of these values in the formula. Volume of total number of atom is 4 by 3 pi upon a cube. Total volume of structure multiplied by 100%. Then by calculate this value, we find the value of packing efficiency for simple cubic lattice is 52.4%. This value, after it, have a question related to this topic. Question: can packing efficiency is 100%? Answer is no, because we know that packing efficiency is depend upon the arrangement of the particles in lattice and the space between the atoms. Then 100% packing efficiency does not exist, because the constituent atom have spherical shape. And spherical shaped atom cannot be arranged without any vacant space. So that's why we can say the value of packing efficiency for any lattice does not exist. 100% does not exist. So this topic, our this topic is complete. There after it, we are discuss the next derivation of packing efficiency and next videos. Thank you, students.